Hi, welcome you all to Urbe's Kitchen Story. This is my first recipe and today I am going to share a Holi special recipe. So first of all, happy Holi to all of you. How have you enjoyed? Please write in the comment section below. I have enjoyed a lot and also tomorrow I am going to also enjoy it. Let's start the video. So today I'm going to make Thandai, and for making Thandai we need milk. Obviously that is the primary product. See, I have it in the pan. Then we will need 1 cup of sugar. This is the 1 cup of sugar. And we will need soaked poppy seeds. This is the soaked poppy seeds. I haven't just drained out the water, but I will do. And then we will need this following products. We will need almonds, pistachios, cashew, and few saffron strands. This few saffron strands. We will need 1 cinnamon stick, few green cardamom, and few peppercorns, and these are the rose petals. So I want to tell you one thing. For the rose petals, if you get dried rose petals without the stem and leaves and the buds, just only the petals, then it's okay. I haven't got it in my market, so I have to soak it. Then I will paste it. There will be no taste difference. I don't know whether it will come out as a fine powder or the paste, but whatever it is, taste will be the same. So let's start the video. First we will light the gas and put the milk into the flame. So we have done it, and now I will paste almonds, cashew, pista, poppy seeds together to make a fine paste with 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. So I will do that. Where is this? See, this almonds, I hope you guys can see it, and I am doing it in a phone. It is very problematic. Soon I have to get a tripod. Now I will give the pista. See, please, I'm sorry. I don't know. See, yeah, the pistas. And now I will give the cashew. I have taken cashew a little bit more just because I love it. I will write the proportion in the description box below. Now I will take the whole poppy seeds. I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds, and I am doing it in a 2-liter milk. So wait, I will see. This is the poppy seeds I have taken. Now I will paste it to a fine smooth paste, but I will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. I will take it yeah, see, I will take it with this. Okay, so this 1 One ladle is enough for it. See this. Okay, one ladle, because 2 to 3 tablespoons is equals to this only. So just if you take it with a ladle, so take one full ladle of milk. It goes here. The milk has already started boiling. Let it boil nicely. So see, this is the look. Yeah, now I will paste it. Okay. I just did it twice because I just checked that poppy seeds are not fully blended. So let's see the milk. Continuously stir it, otherwise it can just be brown at the bottom. I think guys I'm a bit slow. Sorry for that, because this is my first time and I'm a bit nervous. See, this is the paste. This is the whole paste. I will pour the paste and you guys will have a look at it. It's smooth, it's so smooth. The consistency should be very good because this is the main thing of the Thandai. Just this is the main thing. This paste is the main. Nothing else is most important than this. This is the main thing. Oh, I have to stir it. Just stir it nicely. Okay, now see, this is the paste. One full bowl of paste. I will give it full because it tastes very good, and this is the main item, and this only will bring the taste of the Thandai. So I will give it full, and you can give it full because there are all the items are very good, no? Pista, almond, cashew, they're all very good items and good for your health too. So let it boil a bit again. Now I will take the rose petals. See this, the rose petals, the cinnamon, the green cardamom, and the peppercorns. And as I told you, if you get the rose petals dried without stem and without leaves. You can take that and just use it directly on the mixture. But if you get it with the stems and leaves and all other earths, then just soak it. You will see that the petals will go up and all the other things that is rubbish will go down. Now see, this goes here and I will paste it. Yeah, it's done. Wait, I will pour it into something and then you people can see. Yeah, wait. I thought it will be a paste, but it's just, I think it's a miracle because it's just turned into a fine powder. I'm so happy. See this. Wait, see. See, just turned into a fine powder, not a paste. I'm so happy. Okay, now let's see the condition of the milk. It's boiling, boiling and boiling. Let it boil, then I will give the saffron strands in it. Yeah, it's boiling. See, these are the saffron strands, a bit of saffron strands. I will give it into the milk. Yeah, you guys can see, I just poured the saffron, then I will mix it nicely. Yeah, let it boil. And you can enjoy your Holi with a Thandai more nicely because it's the main drink. No, Holi is just incomplete without Thandai and snacks and sweets. Holi is all about colors and Thandai and I mean foods. I can refer food. So yeah, that turned yellow, light yellow. Now I will just give this 1 cup of sugar. See, 1 cup of sugar, I will pour it. Now we'll stir and wait till it melts. This milk is so hot, so it will the sugar will melt very easily. Now I will prepare the glasses because this recipe is very short and I guess it's almost done. I just took, I guess, a lot of time in finishing this. I'm sorry. Just wait for me and wait, and please watch till the end. You can serve it in a, you can serve this in this kind of cup. See, the mud ones, but I only have one, so I will not use this today. I will pour it in a glass. I'm just stirring it, I guess a little more to go. I am doing it in high flame because I have to serve it very quickly. No, I can't take so much time. Little more to go. Wait. Yeah, it had turned a nice yellow color. Yeah, the milk is boiling very nicely. Now I will give the paste that I made. See, I will give this the whole. This is the main important thing, and now it will just increase the taste more and more. It's a rich drink, just a blend of richness. Pistas, almonds, kesar, saffron, oh, milk. Now I will mix it nicely, very nicely. And one more thing, you can serve it cold. Just give it in the, just pour it in the glass and then you can refrigerate, or you can just pour it in a jug and then refrigerate and then serve. But here I can't put it first in a refrigerator, no, so I will pour it in the glass and then I will refrigerate, and then me and my family members will have it. So I have to mix it very nicely. because the mix should be very plain and there should be no lumps in it. No lumps. Just be smooth and simple and tasty. Yeah, it's just going fine. I will now just increase the flame and let it boil. Let it boil and boil and boil. The more you will boil the milk, the more the taste will come. See, this is how the milk now looks like, and I will sprinkle the powder after 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See, this is how it looks like. I just detach it from where I have kept, and now I am taking it in my hand so that you guys can see the color. See, now I will sprinkle the powder over it, the powder that I made. See, just give it a little bit. See, and then again mix and mix and mix. See, can you see the color? It's so nice. I just increase the flame again and let it boil. See. Okay guys, I am just putting it black for 2 minutes. I will pour it in the glass and then show you how it looks like. Okay, just see how the milk boils. I will off the gas. I will turn off the gas and pour it in a glass and just will be back in 2 minutes. Okay, wait. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you put it in a glass, just put a spoon in it, because it's it can just burst the glass, so you just put a spoon when you will pour the Thandai, and then you can pour it. Yeah, I'm back. I just served it and I am back. See how it looks like. See. Can you guys see properly? Yeah. See. I will add some pistas and almonds on the top. Wait. This is how it looks like. And I have written Happy Holi, if you guys can see. Now I will add pistas that I have left for garnishing. I have just served it in a glass like this, and see, here it goes, some almonds, some almonds, yeah, good, yeah. Yeah, there it goes. Now how it looks like. Okay, so thanks for watching. Just make it in home and tell me how it just came out, and have you liked it or not. Write it in the comment section below, and what more recipes do you want. Till then, thanks for watching, and thanks for just helping me and supporting me. So I will come after 2-3 days with a new recipe, and till then, enjoy hard, enjoy your Holi. Just spend the evening with more colors and more Thandai and more food. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Love you all.